Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the server name on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and here we have our server. We're going to press on the name. We're going to go over and here we're going to go to server settings. Once you're in the server settings, you have a lot of options, but we stick to the server profile, which is the first option that will appear. And here we have our name. So, for example, we can name it, instead of HardReset.Info, it could be just HardReset. Now we're going to click Save Changes. As you guys can see, careful, you have unsaved changes. You want to make sure that you click on Save Changes now. And whenever you go back, you will have your server name updated. So we changed it successfully, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.